Everyone, I am Meenakshi from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see the topic Foundations of Modern Cryptography. So modern cryptography is the milestone of computer and communication security. It is mainly based on various concepts of mathematics. For example, number theory, computational complexity theory, probability theory. So all these concepts of mathematics are used in modern cryptography to protect the data. We move on to the characteristics of modern cryptography. So you can classify the classic cryptography and the modern cryptography. That is, you can compare classic cryptography and modern cryptography in terms of three major characteristics. The classic cryptography only manipulates the traditional characters, that is the alphabets and the digits, whereas the modern cryptography operates on binary bit sequences. Classic cryptography is mainly based on security through obscurity, that is uncertainty. So here, whatever the techniques we have employed for encryption and for decryption, they were kept secret, and only the sender and the receiver are the parties involved in the communication know about the methods. The modern cryptography relies on publicly known mathematical algorithm for coding the information, that is for encrypting the information. So how we maintain the secrecy means by choosing a proper secret key, and the secret key is the seed for all the algorithms. Here we use some mathematical concepts like the computational difficulty of algorithms, absence of secret key, etc. So this makes the attacker to recover the key. Okay. So even they have know the algorithms, what are the algorithms which are that is the algorithms which are used for encryption is known to the attacker. Even then, even though they cannot able to retrieve the key. The classic crypto system requires the entire crypto system for communicating confidentially, whereas the modern cryptography requires only the parties involved in the secure communication, mostly the sender and the receiver. They are possessing the secret key, and using the secret key they can encode and they can decode the information. So we move on to the next topic, perfect security. So when we say the cipher system as perfect secrecy is said to have a perfect secrecy means even the opponent gets the cipher text, he should not able to recover the plain text, or he should not able to guess the plain text. Okay, so this type of requirement is satisfied means you can see that the cipher system is providing a perfect security. In a cipher system with perfect secrecy, the interceptor is forced to guess the plain text. What is information theory? So information theory studies the quantification, storage and the communication of the information. Here we are using one important key measure, that is the entropy. What is entropy means? It quantifies the amount of uncertainty, okay, so which is involved in the value of a random variable, or which is the outcome of a random process. So the outcome of the random process is unknown. Okay, it is uncertainty. It is measured by entropy. Coding theory. So this is one of the most important application of information theory. Coding theory is classified into two types, source coding theory and channel coding theory. Source coding is further divided into two types, lossless data compression and lossy data compression. So in lossless data compression, you can reconstruct the data exactly, whereas in lossy data compression, allocated bits are needed to reconstruct the data. So here we face some distortion. So this subset of information theory is called rate distortion theory. So what is cryptanalysis means? The process of attempting to discover the plain text or the key or the both is called as cryptanalysis. That is, you have to recover the plain text or you have to recover the key. Okay. So this is called as a cryptanalysis. So we have various types of cryptanalytics attacks. So how these attacks are classified means it is based on how much amount of information is known to the opponent. So the different types of attacks are ciphertext only attack, known plaintext, chosen plaintext, chosen ciphertext. So what is ciphertext only attack? So here the copy of the ciphertext alone is given to the opponent or the cryptanalyst. What is known plaintext attack means? The cryptanalyst has a copy of a ciphertext and the corresponding plaintext also. So what is chosen plaintext? The cryptanalyst gains the temporary access to the encryption machine. What is chosen ciphertext? The cryptanalyst obtains the temporary access to decryption machine. Okay, so they have some amount of information. By using that amount of information, they try to recover the plain text or they try to break the key. So it is known as cryptanalysis, and the person who is doing cryptanalysis is called as the cryptanalyst. Okay. So with this I am concluding today's topic. Thank you.